Good morning, boys. Please be seated. I wonder how many of you stood up when the yellow lights flashed. We are certainly creatures of habit, and these are things that we do on twice a week that we get used to doing at school. And it's a bit strange not having you here inside the hall at this assembly today. This assembly is a little bit different from my normal one. I normally write my assemblies. I take a great deal of trouble in trying to work out what to say to you. Today, it's not about what I want to say to you, it's about what I want to show you. And so what I did is I took a series of video clips of things around Boys High. I walked around Boys High yesterday afternoon, late, and I took video that started with the beginning of your day, as you walk up Main Drive, past Solomon House. And I don't know if you can remember the first time that you saw these magnificent buildings around. From there, down Polly Shorts to a class down at Pollock, this little drudge that you do 5 or 6 times a day. And then at the end of the school day along Jacaranda Drive, the drive that's named after those beautiful trees that in October every year turn that wonderful shade of purple. And then the sports fields. And the sports fields where you spend so much of your time that are all empty now. And there's this eerie silence on the grounds. The final image is perhaps the end of the day, Main Drive, the lights are on, 6 o'clock in the evening, time to go home. And the pine cones lying on the ground. I hope you enjoyed those images of the school and of this beautiful campus of ours as much as I enjoyed making them for you. People often talk to me about what it is that is special about the school. Our history, our tradition, and there are 2 things to me that stand out as being the most special things. Firstly, the people, and secondly, the buildings and these beautiful grounds that we live on. The people of the school are what makes it special. Our staff, our teaching staff who are working so hard at the moment to try and help you, our support staff who support the teachers in everything they do and support you, and then you, the boys of the school, the common man of Boys High. But then we have these magnificent buildings that for so many years, over 100 years, have been known as the iconic buildings of Boys High. But as I walked around yesterday, one realizes that the grounds and the buildings are nothing without the people. We will be back as a school, that I guarantee you. When? I don't know. Soon, I hope. But for now, work hard, look after yourself, be nice to your families, and stay safe.